Focus on using you and not we when writing your copy. Always keep in mind how you address your client when you write your copy. The way to accomplish this is by understanding how pronouns are used. The way to understand this is by remembering your school days, when your teacher explained the first person, the second person, and the third person. The first person is me, my, mine, we, our. This has been the person who speaks, and the second person is you, yours. This has been the person who is being spoken to. In this case, the critical thing is that you write your copy addressed to the second person and not to you or us. Thus, in all marketing copy, only the second person should be used to address the target audience. You should do this because it is much more professional, therefore more effective. When you write in the second person, you can help your audience quickly connect the copy elements to their own lives. This allows them to personalize the advertising they receive. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.